Hey, I'm Todd from Johnson Auto Body, and today we're talking about storms. So along with storms comes high winds and sometimes hail. So there's some things that we got to deal with. Sometimes there's a thunderstorm and tree branches are falling and taking out glasses of cars and things like that, or roofs, things like that. And the other thing you got to worry about is hail. This time of year it gets really, really hot during the day, and then you get those big nasty thunderstorms that cool it off really fast, and boom, you get a hailstorm that'll pop up here and there and really tear some stuff up. So over the years, we've seen all sorts of different stuff from storms, seen tree limbs, take out roofs, windshields, things like that. We've seen golf ball sized hail all the way to softball sized hail, and they can really tear some stuff up. And there's not much you can do about it. I've seen some people make some things out of like pool noodles and stuff on the internet. You could try that maybe, but I don't think you're gonna have much luck with it. So if it's smaller stuff, we can get that taken care of with paintless dent removal. If it turns into like golf ball sized and bigger, it generally means that you're getting hoods, roofs, and trunks replaced on your car. Windshield's gonna be broken out, things like that. And then we work with the paintless dent guys to fix what they can on the sides. So if you are affected by any storms or anything like that this summer, just use us at one-stop shop. You don't have to go searching around for a glass guy, a paintless dent repair guy. We're your one-stop shop. We can take care of glass, we can take care of hail, we can take care of everything. We deal with the insurance, come and get it all fixed up, and you back on the road, good to go.